pre-European settlement, what kind of fire was occurring on these landscapes? How often were they occurring? How big were they occurring? Richfield Ranger District, scattered across 455,000 acres, we estimate somewhere between 10,000 and 31,000 acres were burning annually. We're not doing enough active management, and the scale that we're doing it at is not anywhere close to the 10,000 to 31,000 acres. My vision was, let's be able to grow a program where we're actively managing vegetation at the appropriate scale, at a scale that is consistent with what was occurring historically. And by so doing, we can achieve the healthy, sustainable, resilient type forest that hopefully we all desire and want to be able to see on our national forest. We are actually just south of Monroe Peak. You can see the Monroe Canyon fire, a portion of that fire and what burned in 2025. This is actually an active management area where we did a prescribed burn a little over a decade ago. These trees here are probably 10 to 12 years old, well above my head, doing quite well. And actually this area where we did this prescribed burn a decade ago did not reburn with the Monroe Canyon fires. So that really changed the fire behavior. It helped. It definitely helped. But without the proactive work that we had accomplished ahead of time, the 75,000 acre Monroe Canyon fire could have easily been double in size. You know, in my opinion, going forward, we just have to continue to be aggressive with our proactive approach, with our fuels management, with our prescribed burning. If you give me the opportunity to pick the day, I'll take that every time over just waiting for Mother Nature to pick the day for us, and then we have to deal with the results.